Hi everyone, I am Simona from Simo's Arts, and in this video we are talking about flowers and resin. Can we put fresh flowers into resin? The answer is absolutely not.
Let me explain exactly why fresh flowers and resin are a bad combination and what you should do instead if you want a beautiful, long-lasting result. Fresh flowers contain moisture. When you trap that moisture inside resin, then three problems appear.
First, rotting.
Because the moisture has nowhere to escape, the flower will slowly rot inside the resin. Over time, petals turn brown, the center darkens, and the mold can appear.
Second, bubbles.
As the resin cures, the moisture inside the flowers evaporates. This creates hundreds of tiny microbubbles around the petals. The result is a cloudy, unprofessional looking piece.
Third, color fading.
Fresh flowers need oxygen to maintain natural color. Once sealed in resin, the pigments break down very quickly. Bright petals become dull, transparent, or brown within just a few days. Flowers must be completely dry before they touch resin. No exception. Let's look at the best drying methods. Method 1. Silica gel. It is the best method if you want to preserve the flower's shape. Method 2. Pressing. The result is a perfectly flat and fully dried flowers that work beautifully in trays, frames, and thin resin pieces. Method 3. Air drying. This is the easiest method. The result is natural and a bit vintage.
Don't forget to subscribe to Craft Resin channel for more tips and tricks about flowers and resin. Bye bye!